Alright guys, so today's video we'll be checking out the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro, and this is one of the latest smartwatches coming from Oraimo Smart Accessories. I've checked out the Oraimo Watch ES, and here with me I have the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. So let's unbox this guy, let's see what's inside the box, and let me share with you my first impression. As you can see, it comes with the slogan, "Enjoy hands-free calling." That's good. And here you can see some features by the side: 1.83 colorful touchscreen, 120 plus sport mode, 7 days standby, and IP68 water resistant. All of these are there just for you to enjoy your new smartwatch, and it comes with 365 days warranty from Oraimo. So before we do the unboxing proper, let me share with you the price of this guy. As you can see here on Oraimo eShop website in Nigeria, you are going to see this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro for the price of 25,500 naira. You can use the discount code showing right on your screen to get 5% discount off from the price of this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. So use the discount code right now, and let's continue with the rest of the video. And here you can see the Oraimo Smart Accessory with the QR code by the side, and other side here you are going to see the OSW34 black with Oraimo Smart Accessory with the serial number. And at the back here, you are going to see the brand ambassador in the person of Burna Boy. You also have the authentication center to verify if you have bought the original or fake, with some spec by the side. With that being said, let's unbox this guy. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so as you can see, the first thing we are greeted with is the smartwatch itself. And this guy comes in a beautiful shape and design, just like the Apple Watch. So let's just keep that aside. Let's see what else we can find in the box. The next thing is the manual, the user manual. So you can go through that to get yourself familiar with the smartwatch. So it comes in English and some other languages. And what you are going to find by this side here is the magnetic charger. The pin one, okay, there's a 2-pin magnetic charger and nothing else. Here is the smartwatch itself, and it says function button here. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. Make sure you charge it up fully before you start using it. So let me switch it on. As usual, the Oraimo logo. Hello, nice to meet you. So you swipe to the left and you pick your language, English. Then you scan the QR code, which is the Oraimo Health app, and you get it connected to your smartphone. So it's as easy as that. So from the look of things here, the strap is similar to that of the Oraimo Watch ES. So let's charge it up for the first time. So guys, the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro is fully charged to 100%, and I must confess that this guy charged fast. It charges fast when it comes to charging, just as Oraimo has claimed, and it took just 50 minutes to charge from 17% that it comes in with to 100%, which is amazing. Probably this is going to take about 60 minutes thereabout to charge from 0 to 100%, which makes it a better choice over the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro of last year. Upon first glance, this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro showcases a high quality build with a polished plastic frame and comfortable strap. The bright and colorful display immediately catches the eyes, and the various watch faces provided with customized touch. So navigating through the menu and swiping through it and checking all the notification feel intuitive, hinting that you are going to have a user-friendly experience. From the little time I spent with this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro, I noticed that it is lightweight, so you are not going to find it difficult. You are going to get something comfortable to wear throughout the whole day. So that is what I experienced from using it just for these few times. So let's quickly compare it with the Oraimo Watch ES and the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro of last year. So let's do a quick comparison with the Oraimo Watch ES. When you press the crown button by the side, you are going to see that both smartwatch is going to take you to the menu options on the screen, and you can actually note that the Oraimo Watch ES is a little bit smooth when it comes to scrolling it. It's similar when you check out the menu and other functions, but you notice that the Oraimo Watch ES font is nice and the user interface is smoother on the Oraimo Watch ES thanks to the AMOLED screen display. On the other hand, the Oraimo Watch 3 has this TFT display which is vibrant and colorful. It is cool. It immediately catches the eyes, and there are some other features that are on the Oraimo Watch ES that is also present in this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. So I can't complain about that. When it comes to the screen or display, the options and the features are almost the same, and you are getting it at a cheaper price. So I would say you should go for this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro if you ask me. In my full review, I'm going to share with you guys everything you need to know about this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. And I'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and use the discount code showing right on your screen to get 5% discount off from the price of this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro on Oraimo Nigeria website. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.